Okay, here we are ready to go on a warm air balloon flight. Okay, so let's go over solo mode. Okay, for this mode, the counterweights be set pretty close. They can be slightly heavier than the person going up, but they cannot be less than the person going up because there's no one on the ground to help boost. So I have that loaded up for me. The first part's the same. I'm going to get up into the basket. And when I step in, the basket stays up. Actually, it does go down. So I could probably use a little bit more counterweight, but this is close enough. Okay, so once in the basket, remove the safeties. Now, if the counterweight was too heavy, then I would have started going up immediately. The counterweight is just slightly less than what it needs to be. So then what I do is I push off from the step ladder. And there we go. Yeah, it takes a little bit of a push to get going. And then once it's going, the mid-range is simpler. I use the descent ropes to slowly go up because you don't want it to go up fast, because then it jerks up at the very top, which causes a bit of stress on there. So that's basically how to get up. And there's the ground down there somewhere. And there's the balloon up above us. And it's actually a nice view from up here. It's a good security lookout. It's a nice breeze. Etc. If you're going to be up here for a while, bring a snack or a water bottle or something. Now the descent is a little bit different because the counterweight is slightly too heavy. In other words, I will stay up in the air. I need to assist myself in getting down, and that's what these descent ropes are for. So they are, the other end is anchored down at the bottom. So, and for this it's handy to have gloves. So let me get the gloves on. Just kind of tricky to do while holding the phone. Okay, got one on. Got the other one on. Okay. So the basic process here is going to be on both sides, on either side. Take hold of the descent rope, and what I do is I wrap it around my hand to get a good grip on it. I also have knots in the descent rope periodically for a better grip. So I'm going to do that on both sides, and then I'm going to stand up, which allows me to, because my legs will be straight, it allows me to apply force directly down near the front of the floor. And I'm going to pull up on the ropes. And then as I get as my arm rises, I need to do it with both hands. So, let's see. Okay, I'll just show the process here. So basically you pull for a while and the rope will get longer, and then I wrap my hand around the rope and pull some more, etc. And through that process I gradually pull myself down near, I think once you get about halfway, it starts descending. If it's balanced right, it starts descending by itself. If it doesn't, then you have to keep pulling all the way. So let me go ahead and do, so I'm going to pull with both hands and then resume. Okay, I've pulled about halfway, and it's a little bit easier in the middle, so now I could probably do it with one hand. Or not. Okay, there, almost at the bottom. Now I can hold the phone and pull with one hand. Okay, once you feel that the basket is going down by itself, you want to really try to slow things down. There we go. Or even grab onto the step ladder to, I mean, you don't have to, it just softens the landing a little bit. Okay, we're down. So the first step once down is to reach down and get the safety latches. This is important. You have to be able to reach the safety latches while you are still in the basket. Okay, sorry. One side and the other side. Okay, we are latched on both sides. You can move the step ladder back into place. And disembark. So that's basically it for the solo mode. It's a little more complicated because there is no ground crew. That's basically it.